In this video, we are going to show you how to clean your aligners using a product called Retainer Brite. For best results, this should be done daily, but you should at least use this once a week to clean your aligners. Get yourself a cup and place enough warm water. Ensure it is not hot, it needs to be lukewarm. Place 1 tablet of Retainer Brite into the solution. While the tablet is bubbling away there, place your aligners into the solution. Ensure the retainers are covered. Leave it there for 15 minutes, no longer than 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes is up, remove your aligners and rinse thoroughly with cold water. They will now be clean and ready to use.